Today I will be unboxing the Samson USB microphone. I got this bundle. It includes a bag and a polishing cloth. Inside you have the actual mic. It has a metal design clip that clips onto your laptop. Here is a optional built-in mic stand mount. You have two polar patterns on the side, cardioid and omni, and then on the other side you have your headphone and USB ports. Inside you have the USB, a traveling holder, I guess, I don't know. It's another holder for the mic. And then you have the CD that you put into your computer and the instructions.